Does that annoy me? Okay, so why is it such a thing these days that people are like, you know what I'm gonna do? Oh, I have something in my teeth. My family went to Chili's. I got something in my teeth. Why is it that everybody has to just like pictures on Tinder? Everybody's just like, you know what? I'm just gonna flip you off. I'm not flipping you off. I'm sorry. But it's just like, why? 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 As somebody who is neurodivergent, I see that and I go, why are you flipping me off? Because it's sort of like, if somebody does a photo or something, do you feel like they're just flipping you off? Do you, like, on a Tinder profile or like in a video or something, do you just go, why is this person flipping me off? Like, they're supposed to be like, I'm a badass. And you're like, why are you flipping me off? Why are you flipping me off? I don't care about anything. It's such a red flag. I'm like, okay, so you've successfully made me not like you. Like, it makes it, I feel so cringe even just like doing it. Because I'm just like, ugh, 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 ugh. I think that flipping people off is the grossest thing you can do. I think it's so gross.